Oh, now he stops crying and Mommy got the video camera out. Hello, big boy. Hello. Ooh, what's in there? Oh no, I can't get in, Mommy. It's locked with a child lock. Oh, but Mommy, it would make it all better if you let me hold the camera. Please. Please, Mommy. Please, just a little bit. I won't hurt it. I just want to hold it. Oh, when you hit record, there's a red light that goes on, and I like the red light. I got it now. I got it now, Mommy.